What's up, LNC Fam? Welcome back to another video. I got myself a new project, BMW 640 front-end collision. Let's take a look and see exactly what we got. Got a beautiful BMW 640 white with black interior, very nice color combination, and this is the damage. Looks like we got the fender damage, bumper, headlight seems to be okay, missing the kidney grill, bumper like I said, and couple at the bottom grills and maybe the fog light. And then for the final, ripped side skirt right here, so we gotta replace this as well. So right now we're gonna pull the car inside, start taking everything apart, assess the damage, start ordering all the new parts, and get this car back on the road as soon as possible. Let's go! The BMW inside of the shop, so now we can start working on it, and most likely gonna be another quick little Lego puzzle. So let's start taking everything apart and we'll go from there. Then I heard you guys were saying I gotta put some grease on the jacks. All the time has arrived. Let's put some grease on this bad boy. Much better. It's still making little noise. It's a little better, but still got a little squeaky. Think time for some new jacks, or unless somebody wants to sponsor some new jacks, let me know. I'll be more than happy to do some review on them. Easy fix. I'm sure somebody would have fixed this, no problem. Installed the fender, so now we could move on to the front bumper. So from the old bumper I gotta transfer a couple grills from the left side, and then everything on the right side we got brand new. Here's all the pieces. So let's piece this bumper together and start installing. the BMW completely together. My job is done. Next we'll start the washing process. We'll detail the car inside out and it's ready for delivery. Let's go. BMW is washed, detailed, and ready to go. Came out beautiful like nothing happened. Customer is on his way to come pick up his beautiful car, ready for the weekend. Another happy customer, that's what we like to see. So thank you guys once again for watching this video. If you guys are new to this channel and you guys enjoy this kind of content, you know what to do. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. До свидания!